Sunday kind of love, a love to last past Saturday night. And I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. And I want a Sunday.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you.
I've tried many different brownie recipes, and this one is definitely the easiest and my favorite. Start by adding melted butter and sugar into a bowl and whisk until it's all combined. Then add in your eggs, egg yolk, vanilla, and whisk until there's no more lumps. Add in your choice of oil, cocoa powder, and switch to a spatula to stir it more gently. Then add in your flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Stir it gently with the spatula, and just before it's all combined, add in the chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and grease an 8x8 pan. I add parchment paper just to make it easier, and pour in your batter. I baked mine for 40 minutes and let it cool before I cut into it. I'll have the recipe in the caption.
Sunday kind of love, a love to last past Saturday night. And I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. And I want a Sunday kind of love. On the square, can't seem to find somebody, someone to care, and I'm on a lonely road.
So you smile at everything I say. And she cried over nothing. So there was nothing I could do to stop her from cutting her beautiful blue hair off.
Rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help, 'cause I think I've fallen in.
I still remember 3rd of December, me in your sweater. You said it